Have you just got laid off? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you a simple system that can help you stop guessing, start taking action, and get back on track faster. Stay with me, because most people make one costly mistake after losing a job. Here's the surprising part. Many people spend weeks worrying about what happened, but the people who recover fastest focus on what to do next. That's exactly what the laid-off playbook is designed to help with. The laid-off playbook gives you a clear action plan after a job loss, everything to do after a layoff, in order, in one place. A complete 90-day action plan for layoff survival. No fluff, no empty motivation. Just practical steps you can use right away. It includes severance calculator, HR call scripts, COBRA versus ACA tool, and career recovery roadmap. You'll learn how to update your resume quickly, improve your job search strategy, prepare for interviews with confidence, and avoid common mistakes that slow people down. Instead of guessing what employers want, you'll learn what helps candidates stand out. Quick question. If you've ever been laid off, what was the hardest part? Finding jobs, interviews, or staying motivated? Leave your answer in the comments below. The biggest benefit is direction. When many people feel stuck, this gives you a plan. You'll save time, reduce confusion, build confidence, and focus on actions that move you forward. Check out the link in the description to learn more. And if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.